We drove over an hour just to pick the sweetest golden apple ever. Now I know some people was like, why not just go to a market? Why not just buy them at the supermarket? Because nothing beats driving to this beautiful pick your own orchard at this Europe-inspired style market. Now, when we got here, we only had like about 15 minutes to pick these apples. And on top of that, the people them pick all of my apple them. Left me with pure look a green apple, but them did actually still really sweet. So when you arrive at the market at Grayland, you could either get a box from them, it's free, or they give you like a plastic bag and then they send you on your way. I recommend you drive down to the orchard, do not walk, because it's a little hike. And y'all have to try this peach ice cream. I'm weird about flavors, but this did taste so good. It just did creamy and just taste natural. I love the fact that they had like a little play area for the kids. Like Royce and Ella was living their best life in the sandbox. This place is so cute, and I definitely highly recommend if you're in the DMV, you gotta come here. Just take the day with your family, come out, enjoy nature. It is worth it. 10